Hey ATU students, it is time to begin the process of creating your Arkansas Tech student identification card. You will begin by visiting onetech.atu.edu and log in with your personal information. This is the same information you use to access your email. Arkansas Tech requires a second verification app called Duo Mobile that you will be prompted to download if you have not already. This protects your personal information. On the home page, you will scroll to the Campus Tools button and select the Self-Service banner. Under the Student tab, you will find the Online Student ID Request form. On this page, you will find all of the instructions for submitting your ID request. Be sure to read this page carefully so that you may meet all of the requirements. When you are ready to submit your ID photos, you will complete the following form indicating whether you will be living on campus or not and where you would like to pick up your ID card. You will then upload the photo you have chosen to use as your ID photo. This photo must be taken on a solid color, plain backdrop. Along with the photo you would like to use for your ID, you will also submit a picture of your Arkansas driver's license or your passport. Be sure to include your date of birth and your full name so that we may be sure of who is submitting the request. Once you have completed these steps, you may submit your ID card request. Be on the lookout for a confirmation email in your mailbox. We cannot wait to see you on campus.